If you want to enable or disable voice access on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is open Settings. Now we're gonna scroll down and choose Accessibility. In Accessibility, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the voice access option. And now we have Use Voice Access, so we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on or off. When you go here for the first time, once you enable the voice access, you will have this prompt: help improve voice access and other apps, so you can press agree if you want to. You can also be informed about, notified about important changes to the app. So if you want to be informed about it, we can agree. There we go. Now we can choose how we want to activate voice access. So you can, for example, use the listening button, or you can use Google Assistant or Gemini by saying, hey Google, voice access, to activate the voice access, of course. And there we go. And then we have the tutorial that you can go through if you don't know how to use. We also have a little setup in the meantime, so you can choose, for example, how you want the app to stop listening to you when you want to stop it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.